To join the Zoom meeting, you're going to go to the link that your coordinator sent you for the tutoring appointment. You're going to click the link, and it's going to take you to the browser. You want to click open zoom.us. This is going to open it on your desktop. You want to join with computer audio, and we are in the meeting. First thing you want to do is start your video. So now Christina can see me.
I can see you.
So if any of y'all have gaming setups or additional microphones or headsets attached to your computer, what you want to do is you want to come here and make sure that you've selected the right microphone and speaker. You can toggle back and forth between those to see which one works for you, but if you're having audio trouble, go here first. You can also mute your speaker down here in the lower corner. Now I'm talking and Christina can't hear me.
Can hear you.
Great. Also, maybe you have your laptop webcam and then another webcam set up. Beside the stop video, you also have the option to change your camera here. Other things that you might want to know how to do for Zoom. There's a chat function. Down at the bottom below Christina's lovely face, not place, you have the chat box. Whenever I click chat box, you see that it opens on the right side of my computer. I can chat with Christina here. Let's see if she responds. Great. Okay. There's an option here where you can change who you're chatting with. Don't change that. It needs to stay on everybody for the entire appointment. So if you notice, my chat box down here in the bottom just lit up yellow, but I don't have my chat up. That means that Christina has sent me a chat. So if I click on this, I can see what she said. Another option that you are going to use in Zoom is the button down here at the bottom in green that says screen share. If you click screen share, you can choose what desktop you want to share. If you have multiple windows open, go to a browser. I'm choosing Google Chrome. This is how you will work with your tutor. During your appointment, you need to be screen sharing the entire time. The only time that you would not be screen sharing is if the tutor is using their whiteboard. The tutor will never screen share their screen, but they might pull up their whiteboard. We can look at that in just a minute. But you would want to pull up your browser and go to Canvas just like you would on the room computer. So your tutor is probably going to ask you to navigate Canvas. They might help you. There's a feature where they can annotate on here. So Christina, once I get my Canvas pulled up, can you draw a circle around which tab you want me to click on over on the left-hand side of Canvas?
Can you open up your assignment tab over here?
As you can see, Christina is using green. She showed me exactly where to go. So I'll click assignments, and we can go from there. Next thing you want to know about is the whiteboard. So if we go back to screen share, I have the option over here to select a whiteboard. So if I choose that and click share, Christina, can you see my whiteboard?
I can. It's a star and like a T laying sideways.
Okay, so right here you can see that I'm moving around my toolbox that just popped up. If I start the whiteboard, I have the option to select the drawings that I had already made previously and move those around. I can add a text box. Christina, can you see what I just typed?
I love tutoring.
So your tutor will be able to see what you type in the text box. Something that is important is that your tutor can't see the text box until you click out of it. You can draw, you can change your cursor. This is a great tool for highlighting if you're reading an article with someone. You have stamps. You also can change the format, you can change the color, you can change the size, you can change the thickness. Let's see, you have an eraser. If you click on the eraser button, you can undo everything you just did. So this will be a tool that you'll use with your tutor to keep the sessions active. So it's not just your tutor sitting there lecturing you.